makeup though. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Would you rather be poor or be in the Illuminati? Mind, soul, and my body. Pull up in a new Bugatti. They telling me don't go. In Hollywood, you don't know nobody.
Hey friends, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to today's video. So this is Snapback Saturday. Let's snap it on back, y'all. Anyways, as you can see, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette because the palette we are using today is very bright and colorful, and it does not have a nice brown to blend out on the lid. So for today's Snapback Saturday, we are using the Urban Decay Jean Michael palette. This is the colorful one, and we are going in with this very dark blue shade and also the light teal shade, which is Boom. And we're starting off with Boom, and we're going to take that into the crease and blend it out, and then we're going to take the darker blue on the inner and outer corners and into the crease, and we're going to blend that in. We are creating a halo eye or spotlight eye, whatever you guys want to call it. You know how it goes. And you guys know the drill. It's okay if it gets a little bit messy because we're going to clean it up. And you want to go back in with that teal shade and just blend out those harsh lines. Nobody wants to see that. I'm going to carve out the center of the lid with my favorite product to do a cut crease with. That is the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. And you want to take your time with this step, and then you want to take your finger and just pat the concealer in and somewhat blend it out. And then, of course, right on top of that concealer, we're going to take this beautiful electric shimmery green, and we're going to take that right on top with our finger, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller detail brush so I can get closer into the crease. But you kind of want to go back and forth with the shades to make sure you have a nice gradient and everything is blended out. But isn't this shadow electric?
It's electric.
And now for lashes. These are the Foam Ink Lashes Ardell number 819. And here I'm just throwing on a little bit of moisturizer, and then I'm going to go in with this Hard Candy Coconut Priming Stick, which I love when I need a little extra hydration. It's my jam, you guys. And for foundation, I'm going in with my number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. Don't sleep on this brand, you guys, because it is the bomb, and you can find it at Walgreens. I am just taking my Flower Beauty blender and blending that into my skin. I'm telling you guys, it is flawless. It is beautiful. It is everything. So if you haven't seen my last video, you need to go check it out, because I'm telling you, this foundation will give your skin some love. And of course, I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm setting that concealer with none other than the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. I'm telling you guys, you gotta get this setting powder. It is seriously so good, and it's an affordable price. So I'm going to go back in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and carve out the cheeks, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this powder. As you can see, I've hit pan, but it just makes my face look so flawless, and again, it's affordable. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this coming. This is the Milani Romantic Rose Blush. I love this blush, and that's all I have to say about that. I love it. Hey, so if you balling on a budget, but you still trying to glow, to the highlight gods, you need to pick up this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in molten gold. Is the business. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit because y'all know I'm extra, and I gotta highlight my inner corners with Helena, which is the green shade. For the lips, I'm going in with a brand new shade from Smashbox. This is their liquid lipstick in teal with it. Y'all knew I had to have this stunning color. A friend of mine picked this up for me, and it is stunning. Don't forget to set your face. I'm going in with a new Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray, and I'm just about to set this face. Oh yeah, and I also almost forgot my waterline. I'm going in with Urban Decay's Jean Michael Post Punk, and then I'm going to go back into that dark blue shade from the palette to set my outer corners. But this completes today's look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and follow me on all social media, which is linked down below. Don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. That's how I feel after I get done, for the most part. There's been a couple times where I'm like, I don't like this makeup. And then everybody's like, oh, I love your makeup. And I'm like, I don't like this makeup. Loving this makeup in my hair. Okay. Yep.
Shoulder be harder, you guys.
Yes. Yeah, you should see this in the camera. You should come over here and take a little pig ski. Intimacy. I'm feeling. I have nothing on my lower lash line. Okay, now. Yes. Now it's snatch. Okay, take a little peek ski.
Yeah, now
take a little peek ski.
Oh yeah, now it is.
Right.